What's up everybody, it's Pearson back with another video. So I've been gone for a year now, and some of you were like messaging me on Instagram or in Facebook, when is the next content? Don't stop making videos and whatnot. So I really appreciate you guys. Sorry if I didn't get to reply to you, but this is my reply to you. So I really think you guys deserve an update from me. So I'm making this short update video about the channel and about me. So there are two reasons why I slowed down in YouTube. Number one reason is I didn't have much time. So I focus in work and in triathlon. So I've been training for 7 days, Monday to Sunday, and some of those days I have 2 trainings in a day. So my time goes like early in the morning, I wake up to go training, and then I rush going to work. Then late afternoon or evening, I do my training again, and I cannot stay late at night, so I didn't really have time to make a video. I didn't have much time. So number 2 reason is sneakers, at least for me here in the Philippines, are getting more hassle to cop. They're more hassle to cop because they still do registration in store, and then it's gonna be a raffle. So registration in store, you need to queue up a long line here in the Philippines, so it's really a hassle. They rarely do online registration, and if you do online registration, the chances are even slimmer. So it's more hassle to cop. Yes, I do cop through online, but Adidas ships the sneakers a week later, at least a week later. So that's crazy for me. As you guys know, for you guys who are well-known in YouTube, some sneaker reviewers get their sneakers 1 week advance or even a month advance, and I will get mine for a week later. So there's no sense for me to make a video. Most probably there are lots already in YouTube by the time I upload. So those are the 2 reasons why I slow down in YouTube. Just a quick update about the channel. Make sure to turn on the post notifications on, because I'm gonna make a video after this. Make sure to check the Yeezy 350 V2 creams review and on feed. Make sure to check those. In that span of I was gone, I did a little bit of study in photography and a little bit in videography. So I have a new setup here. It's a 4K camera, so make sure to switch the settings in 4K. Other than that, I have new effects going on. I have a little bit of light setup going on here to make me pop out of the background. So that's it. Please hit the like button and make sure to stay subscribed. Pierson signing off.